Good morning, children. Welcome back to the social session of Democracy and Evolving Idea, where we were learning about majoritarianism versus inclusiveness. Okay, even though there are many minority groups in the countries, when you don't include them in the running of a democratic setup, there is no meaning for the democracy. So we have seen the example of Sri Lanka and Belgium. We have seen in Belgium the languages spoken who are minority group and who are majority group. Even in Sri Lanka, the Sinhali language as well as the Tamil language people were in minority, whereas Sinhali language people were in majority. So we have seen these relations between the Sinhali and Tamil communities strained over time. The Sri Lankan Tamilians launched many parties and struggles for equal status along with the Sinhalis. Autonomy to the province populated by the Tamils was repeatedly denied. Autonomy in the sense they were demanding. In the North Sri Lanka region, these Tamils were dominant. Okay, many Tamilians were present in the North Sri Lanka region, and in that region, they were demanding more autonomy, more freedom for them. By 1980s, several political organizations were formed demanding an independent Tamil Eelam. Tamil Eelam in the sense Tamil state. They want a separate state for these Tamil people, Tamil speaking people in the northern and eastern parts of Sri Lanka. So, but of course, Sinhalis were in majority and they have denied this demand. The distrust, there was no trust between the government and these Tamilians. There was a distrust between the two communities which has turned into widespread conflict. Widespread conflict in the sense it led to an establishment of a extremist organization. So that led into a civil war as LTT got born. LTTE. This is a extremist organization. Extremist बोले तो क्या है? आजकल हमारे पास नक्सलाइट्स जो है, ओके, नक्सलाइट्स वो है एक्सट्रीमिस्ट ग्रुप. सो जैसा वैसा ही एक LTT ऑर्गेनाइजेशन फॉर्म हुआ अटैक करने के लिए, छुप के अटैक करते रहते. व्हाट इज दिस LTT? LTT मीन्स लिबरेशन ऑफ टाइगर्स फॉर तमिल ईलम. लिबरेशन टाइगर्स ऑफ तमिल ईलम. ईलम मीन्स स्टेट, तमिल स्टेट लिबरेशन के लिए जो लोग लड़ते हैं उसको LTT बोलते. LTT. So this is the organization which was established and this has demanded for an independent rule over some provinces which are mostly dominant or inhabited by the Tamilians. In the final war, the Sri Lankan army has defeated LTT. It also established a brutal control over those provinces, killing and uprooting thousands of Tamil people. So the Sri Lankan army has taken out a final war in which the Tamil LTT was completely uprooted and many Tamilians were also killed. Civil people were killed. Casualties was big. Many families were forced to leave the country as refugees and many of them also has entered into India and this has a connectivity with India. देखो इधर तमिल ईलम, तमिल बात करने वाले जो है, इधर हमारे तमिलनाडु में तमिल बात करने वाले हैं, तमिलनाडु ऑफ इंडिया. So which is a southern country, southern state of India, and this has a very good connectivity with this organization LTT. इधर जो भी हादसा होती, ओके, उधर से भाग के आके तमिलनाडु में छुप जाते बस. They used to come to Tamil Nadu and in Tamil Nadu, it's a Tamil majority people, then automatically the Tamil government used to protect them. This has run for almost 20 years. Okay, LTT का बहुत सारा shelter जो था वो तमिलनाडु में था. And this LTT is also a reason, don't forget about this LTT. This LTT is an extremist organization which has assassinated the former Prime Minister of the country, Rajiv Gandhi. राजीव गांधी को जो मारे थे वो है LTT. LTT मारे थे. Why Rajiv Gandhi was assassinated by LTT, I'll tell you in the next class. But remember, this LTT is a organization which has killed Rajiv Gandhi. Rajiv Gandhi को जो मारे थे वो LTT था. So it also has uprooted many thousands of Tamil people. Many families were forced to leave as refugees to other countries. Prior to the civil war, Sri Lanka had an excellent record of economic development. Education and health wise, it was much better than India. The per capita income was also much better than Indians. But the civil war has caused a terrible setback of the social, cultural and economic life of the country, due to which Sri Lanka has suffered a lot. So tomorrow we shall learn about the Belgium, the Dutch speakers and French speakers civil war which has broken out in Belgium. We shall see about this conflict in tomorrow's class. Thank you, children.